So hello everyone, my name is Veronica from Anakbayan and we are with a team here at Anakbayan Montreal and we're about to do the raffle ticket prizes that we were supposed to do last week, but we ended up delaying it for a week in order for other people to have a chance to also participate in our fundraising. And we shall start our first draw.
All right.
So what you guys are seeing is a name picker generator. As you can see, what I did was I copy pasted the name of the donators and multiplied it by the number of entries. So our first prize, we'll be pulling out the names of 2 people for the gift cards for Republika. These are gift cards of $25. So good luck to y'all.
Pew!
Name one.
Yeah.
Start button.
Before drum
The
roll.
names go.
Anonymous donor.
Called DS.
I think I know who that is. Woohoo! Go BS! Some of them will be anonymous because that's how they donated their names, but we still have their names. Yeah.
Oh, we do? Oh, cool.
And our second Republika prize winner is
Karina Huss! No, not really. I'm kidding.
Oh, it's me.
Oh,
Woo! Congrats!
Yay.
Deserve it. You worked so hard and it's great.
All right. Okay. So do we want to give out the 2 gift cards from Beck's Cuisine?
Yeah.
Okay with that? Donk, donk, donk. Our 2 winners will be Karina.
Huss!
Yay!
Or Huss, sorry if I mispronounced the name. But congratulations to Karina for winning which Beck's, right?
$25 gift card to Beck's Cuisine.
Okay, so Karina Huss, you won a gift card from Beck's, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have my headset on. Okay.
And the second winner is Kathleen de Jesus.
Yay!
Okay, so we have another winner for our winner Kathleen de Jesus for a gift card for Beck's. Congratulations. I'm really enjoying this emceeing / just talking. Huh? It gives me the mood because like my mic is right here, so I feel like I'm actually doing something.
I love seeing the names generate. This is so fun.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
What's the next prize?
Next, we have a $45 prize from Cuisine de Mani, and it's for a Kamayan platter for, I believe, 1 person. Kamayan sounds like a lot of food, so let's say 2 people.
Yeah, at least 2 people. Kamayan.
Well, if it's like, yeah, it's probably 3 people.
Probably more than 2.
It's a minimum date.
Thelma!
Thelma!
What a Kamayan! I hope she invites me to her Kamayan.
Knowing her, she'll buy Kamayan and make another Kamayan and invite everyone else.
Yeah!
So our next prize is from a Caribbean restaurant called Lloydies. Thank you to Lloydies for your gift card. I believe that was $60.
I think so, yeah.
You guys recall? Okay. So, name generator.
Let's go name.
Give us a winner.
Oh, lucky.
I think that's my friend. Yeah, that's my friend.
Oh, cool.
Talk about a return on investment. Yikes.
Yeah.
Right?
That's what the draw is for.
Congratulations for Kim winning gift card from Lloydies.
Yay.
Woohoo!
And the next prize is a 45-minute massage from
Oh my gosh. Please.
Truly.
So worth it. I'm
So worth it.
oh my
Now
God.
I wish I looked better. I look so tired.
Because you're working on massaging other people.
Anon.
Anonymous. PF.
Yeah.
I know who that is as well.
Congratulations to Anon.
Congratulations to our another anonymous PF from getting a massage from yours truly, Chez Feno. Or Feno. Feno.
Okay. And last, we have 8 winners for Kiwi CDs. So Kiwi is,
I don't think I have anything to play CDs anymore.
yeah, me neither.
I'm gonna need to find someone to play it for me.
So he mainly makes rap music. He's been doing it for a while. He's mostly known for his as being a part of the renowned group called Native Guns with Bamboo, who is also another rapper in the West Coast. Huey Lafonte is a volunteer with the Asian Prisoner Support Committee and an organizer for the Center for Philippine Concerns. His music mainly reflects the struggles of being a brown working class person in diaspora and the rising up of everyday folks out of oppression and exploitation, which is super awesome. I would love to hear that myself, but I already won a prize, so meh.
I'll let you.
Yeah. Did you say you'll let her listen to yours?
Yeah.
You gotta win one.
Be empowered.
Okay, so name picker. Our first winner is
Anna!
Ana Donato.
Yay.
Congratulations for winning a CD from Kiwi.
Awesome.
Can't see much. Alright, put it up.
next will be Sherilyn.
Evelyn, you too will get a CD.
Oh, how are these young people gonna play their CDs?
I can put it in my car.
Oh,
shit, I'm
that's
so
bad.
You have a car with a CD player.
Oh, I have a 6 CD change player. Okay, that's how old the car is.
Shirlane.
And then Charlene.
Hey. Cool.
See, Sherilyn can try it in their house, and if it doesn't work, they go to the car. And for Alan,
Yay, Alan.
Alan who donated 34, not 35.
You're missing a ticket, Alan.
That's right, Alan. I'm talking about your $34. Oh, I was about to say me. Man, I got excited there. I thought I was going to win.
Eileen.
For Eileen Boruel. Is that how I say it? Boruel. You get a CD. Everyone get a CD.
Everyone gets a CD.
You get a CD. You get a CD. You get a CD. I don't know why I'm so hyper. This is the most people that I've spoken to for a while. And for Marie! I bet I'm so loud. Okay, I'll stop moving around.
2 more winners.
Yay.
Anonymous.
Sorry, I'm doing
Yes.
Anonymous TS.
This guy was actually my previous boss, which was surprising because I have no idea how he found our fundraiser. He's following me somewhere and I have no idea.
Wow.
It's okay.
Well, thank you, former boss.
Yeah.
You get a CD.
Last but not least.
Veronica! You were willing your name up there.
Finally, on behalf of Veronica, you want a CD. That is me.
Amazing.
Congrats.
Congrats to all of the winners. Thank you so much for supporting us.
Yes.
So our
thank you.
total, does someone want to announce our total amount? We haven't said it yet.
Oh, yes. Let me see. 899, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
899.
We're proud to say that Anak Bayan Montreal was able to raise 899 Canadian dollars, and it will be donated to Sagip
Migrante.
Migrante, and part of it will also be allotted to Nick, who was the participant in the documentary Nick and Chai because of his cancer treatment. So I shall thank everyone who participated. Thank you everyone to also donated. Thank you for our sponsor, La Republika, Lloydies, Beck's Cuisine, Cuisine de Mani, Chef Feno, and then Kiwi CDs. Thank you for the sponsorship for our raffle tickets. Thank you for everyone who watched. Did I miss something?
We will be contacting you. No, we will be making a post on our Facebook event page. And if you were tagged on it, please contact us so we can communicate on how to give you your gift cards.
That's right. Because if not, we will keep it.
So,
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
We'll try our best to find them, and then if someone doesn't claim it within a certain amount of time, we might need to redraw. But hopefully we can find everyone. And anyways, we'll post it in the actual fundraiser on GoFundMe, and then they should get an email with the list.
That is true.
They better answer those emails.
okay.
True. Stay tuned. So to recap, we will be posting and tagging you for those who won, and then we'll try to contact you as well if it doesn't work.
Okay. In the spirit of Christmas, Jackie, would you like to share us your amazing star?
Oh,
rude! It's not star.
I actually got in trouble by the person who made it because it's not done. But here it is. It was actually my roommate who made it, but I am claiming a little bit of it because I have it here. Yay!
Yay.
So cool.
Happy holidays, everybody.
Yes, happy holidays.
Holidays. Thank you everyone for organizing.